And so here we have our Nomex 3A Alpha vest. The same design and features as our Alpha jacket. This fire-resistant fleece vest is lightweight, breathable, wind-resistant, and water-repellent warmth. The permanent protection won't melt, drip, or support combustion in the air. It cannot be washed or worn away. We have a chest pocket, 2 hand warmer pockets, 2 large inside cargo pockets, full-length FR Vislon zipper, and behind we have the wind flap to prevent any wind coming in through the zipper, and the standard zipper garage at the very top, the drop tail in the rear hem for increased coverage. At the end of the day, as a layering piece that you would wear in the winter or in the fall, something very versatile, very lightweight, very comfortable. This is an NFPA 70E Category 2 guard.